วัสดีค่ะ If you're an expat settling down in Thailand or getting married, you'll want to learn the basics of Thai family law so that you can better plan your future here and avoid serious complications later on. Divorce, child custody, and inheritance are not handled in the same way as in your home country, and the law treats foreigners differently from Thai citizens in these areas. I'm Ice, and in today's video, we'll be looking at how this area of Thai family law operates and how you might be affected. By the end of this video, you'll have a better understanding of all the procedures involved and be much more prepared for the future. If you're getting divorced in Thailand, knowing the process can save you time and money. In Thailand, there are two types of divorce you can go through. Contested divorce. This is when you and your spouse mutually agree to terminate the marriage and have no disagreements concerning the division of property, child custody, or other related issues. Contested divorce. This happens when you or your spouse disagrees on the divorce or its terms. An uncontested divorce is by far the simpler option and only involves drafting a legal divorce agreement and filing it with the local district office, also known as ampeur. As long as you and your spouse agree to the terms, this process can be done in a matter of hours. Contested divorces are much more expensive and involved, as they must go through the Thai court system. You'll need a qualified family lawyer to help you argue your case in court to secure favorable terms for the divisions of property, alimony, child support, child custody, and other relevant issues. To avoid the possibility of a contested divorce, it's best to sign a prenuptial agreement. This is a document signed by you and your partner before registering your marriage that details how your assets will be divided in the event of a divorce. The prenup must be drafted by a lawyer and registered with the government at the same time you register your marriage. If you are going through a divorce involving children, one of the most important issues you face is regarding child custody. In Thailand, what most people think of as child custody is legally referred to as parental power. Thai law dictates that children under the age of 20 must remain in the custody of a parent or guardian who has parental power. This allows you to make certain decisions for the child until they reach 20 years old, such as choosing how to discipline them in a legal manner, deciding on where your child should live, controlling your child's finances and other types of property, restricting your divorced partner from visiting your child. For unmarried couples, parental powers are automatically assigned to the mother. However, if the father wants a custody of the child, they can file for legitimization. If the court agrees, the father will be legally recognized as a parent and can appeal for parental powers. Parental powers are shared by both you and your partner if you're married. If you and your partner both agree on who should gain custody of the child, you can proceed through an uncontested divorce. If the divorce is contested and no mutual agreement can be made, then the Thai court will need to step in. They will review you and your partner's arguments, as well as your ability to take care for the child, then make a decision based on the child's best interests. Even if you lost custody of your child, you can still appeal to the court by submitting a formal request and preparing a testimony. However, the custodial parents can challenge the request in court if they don't consent to it. If a family member passed away in Thailand, you'll need to take immediate action. To start, you need to inform the authorities, register their death at the ampeur, and secure a legal death certificate. If they are a foreigner, you must alert their home country's embassy, which can register the death and help with other tasks, such as repatriating their remains. Afterwards, you have to sort out their estates and make sure that their assets go to the right people. If they left behind a will, this could help you avoid delays and complications and ensure that their wishes are carried out appropriately. A Thai will outlines who will be responsible for administering the estate as the executor. This person, known as the estate administrator, will distribute the assets in accordance with the will. This is known as probate, which in Thailand is overseen by courts. If you have a Thai will, this process is relatively straightforward. But if a will has been prepared overseas, there is no guarantee that it will be enforceable in Thailand and may lead to significant delays. This is especially true if immovable assets are involved, such as land, vehicles, businesses, or large deposits in Thai banks. If a foreign national dies without a valid will, then their assets will be distributed to the statutory heirs in an order established by Thai inheritance law. These heirs are grouped into 6 different classes. The entire estate will be divided among family members in the highest category on the list. If there is no one in that category, the entire estate is divided among their relatives in the next category, and so on. This process is automatic and arbitrary, so not having a valid will could mean that the estate is handled in a way that doesn't respect the person's wishes, or you may not inherit anything as intended. If you are foreigners living in Thailand with significant assets, you should have a last will and testament draft by a lawyer so that your wishes will be honored and your descendants can collect their inheritance without difficulty. If you want to learn more about divorces, child custody, and inheritance in Thailand, contact Siam Legal's family lawyers. As a full-service law firm with over 20 years of experience in helping foreigners, our bilingual family lawyers have the skills and expertise to guide you through the divorce process. If you want to file for a divorce, our lawyers will help you draft an agreement for you, fight for your rights in court, and ensure you end up with the most favorable result. If you're fighting for custody, we will represent you in court, help you secure your parental rights, and make sure you can achieve the best outcome for your family. In addition, our lawyers can also help you write a clear and legally binding will to carry out your wishes effectively. If you lost a family member, we also have the expertise to help you administer the estate and assist you with the probate process so you can secure your inheritance. That's it for our video today. If you want to learn more about Thai family law, reach out to our Siam Legal expert lawyers and advisors. You can find our contact information in the description below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel to stay updated to all things related to family law in Thailand. Thank you for watching this video. สวัสดีค่ะ